Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 20 divided by 10 times 2 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First, we do this multiplication. 10 times 2 gives us 20. So 20 divided by 20, then minus 1. 20 divided by 20 gives us 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 20 divided by 10, which equals 2. So 2 times 2 minus 1. Now we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So 4 minus 1, which equals 3. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 3.